The president was outraged as he met with officials of the Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System Tuesday night. Presidential spokesman Sal Panelo says the president threatened to fire MWSS officials if they don't shape up, following the water shortage experienced in Metro Manila. MWSS Chief Reynaldo Velasco confirmed this and says he has no plans to resign, even with the president's clear frustration over what happened, and calls for them to be sacked.
Sinabon naman kami pero binanlawang kami pagkatapos. So walang problema. Sinabi lang niya, shape or shape up. In other words, ayusin niyo muna. Pag hindi niyo maayos, go. Pinagbibigyan naman kaming ayusin Kaya naayos ko, baka hindi, para hindi ako tanggalin.
But he says he would have volunteered to step down had the president asked for someone's head.
Kung hiningi niya kanina o kagabi, ang buong board, I will volunteer. Na I will take responsibility, spare the board. Hindi niya tinanong kaya andito pa ako.
President Duterte was so mad during his meeting that he did not even let the water officials speak. Velasco says perhaps it was because the president didn't want to listen to their justifications. Instead, he says the president was clear. He wants solutions. President Duterte also threatened to cancel the contracts of water concessionaires Manila Water and Maynilad. Velasco says this may have legal implications.
Kasi maraming implication yan Halimbawa, paano ibabalik ng gobyerno ang nagastos na nila na sinisingil over years,
During the meeting, President Duterte scolded MWSS officials for not preventing the crisis, even prompting him to issue a directive to release more water supply. Velasco, who didn't get a chance to speak during what he called a homily of the president, disputes this.
Nung nakita namin yung problema at medyo nadala na sa media yan, na namin pumipila, ako mismo, alam ko na, I don't have to be ordered.
95% of Manila Water's customers are now with water supply since the shortage erupted. MWSS hopes to bring this up to 99% by the end of the month. President Duterte gave MWSS until April 10 to submit a report on Metro Manila's water supply situation.
Basta April, gano'n. Either 7 or 10, pareho lang. Pasok pa rin naman yung April 7 doon sa on or before April 10.
Well, and after that, ano ho ba ibig sabihin? The president will decide on what to do?
Oh, yeah. Only either he fire out officials or he terminates the contract.
Kakayanin natin yan. If I cannot do it, I will resign immediately.
Ina Andolong, CNN Philippines.